Guys, welcome to my next video. In this video I am going to talk about the ethical decision making and its criteria of ethical decision making and the reasons of unethical behavior. And also I'm going to talk about the corporate performance and corporate governance and business ethics. Now um, now get into the ethical now get into the terms ethical decision making. Ethical decision making means choosing the best alternatives among the various alternative to achieve the goal according to the fairness, according to the honesty, trust is known as ethical decision making. With the help of this ethical decision making, the business can build their good image in the society. They can create more profit, as well as they are more connected to the society. And to the society, there were various criteria of ethical decision making. And their criteria of ethical decision makings may be based on the respect and the trust, legality, trust, and honest and responsibility and reputations. These are the criteria of ethical decision makings. And with the help of ethical decision makings, um, the decisions should be choose based on the responsibility, their trust, their fairness, and their ethics. This is called ethical decision makings. And now I'm going to tell about the reasons behind the ethical unethical behaviors. There were various reasons behind the unethical behavior in the organizations, which may create a loss, and create defects, rise problems in the organizations. Some of the reasons may be due to the lack of the awareness, and due to the lack of awareness and peer pressures is also peer pressures due to the lack of awareness, and due to the lack of these policies also. And policies, and there may be of greed and their self-interest too. Self-interest too, and short-term focus is also the may also there might be the reasons. And short-term focus, peer pressures, and pressure to achieve the goals is also the and the reason for unethical behaviors. These are the reason behind the unethical behavior. Now get into the another topic, performance sorry corporate performance. Now corporate performance means corporate performance refers to how well the company is achieving its goal or objectives in term of profitability, their responsibility, social responsibility. And the goal is known as corporate performance. We already know that performance is the end result of the company or any action is known as performance. Basically, we can calculate the corporate performance in the various ways, like the financial performance, and financial performance, market performance, ethical performance, social performance. In this way we can calculate the performance of the organizations or a business. Now we are going to talk about the corporate governance. Now corporate governance refers to the system of the law, regulations of policies, and the process that guides the organization. by which the organizations is directed and controlled is known as corporate governance. And corporate sometimes the good corporate governance leads to the better result for the company, and it helps to create a good image in the society too. Whereas due to the poor performance, the company might lost the financial problems too. There were various principle of sorry the there should be a principle of the corporate governance. The principle means there should be a fairness, accountability, and responsibilities. And the last one is transparency is the principle of the corporate governance. And the last one I'm going to talk about the business ethics. uh, Now business ethics means the moral principles that are guided by the individual and organizations in the business world is known as business ethics. There were various issues arise in the business ethics. There are financial and accounting issues may arise, and human resources management issues may also might arise, and marketing management issues as well as production and operation management issues will arise in the business ethics. This much for today. I think chapter 2 of strategic management, MBS fourth semester social responsibility is end in this video. Thank you so much.